Welcome back to my channel. To start off with this look, I already went ahead and did my brows off camera using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in the shade Simma Brown Now. You can find it at your local Walgreens store. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Morphe 350 palette using this reddish hue. As you can see, taking my Eco Styler double eyebrow brush using the blending side to just work that on the eye. Now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 350 palette again using this burgundy brown shade. I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette using the color Ada, which is a really deep burgundy color, and I'm just using my Eco Tools brush and blending that in my crease, building the color. That same blending brush from my Bespoke brushes and going in with the color Cherry Cordial on the Toofaced Chocolate Bar palette and just blending that, building the color on my crease. My glitter glue from NYX and just placing it on the lid. And I'm just repeating that step on the other eye. Then we're going to go in with the NYX body, face and body glitter in the color 4. And just placing it on my lid. With a synthetic brush that I got from e.l.f. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I always use it to apply my glitters. be going in with my Loreal Intense Liner. Queen Collection All Day 3-in-1 foundation in the color Spicy Brown. I'm just applying it with my flat foundation brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take my e.l.f. foundation puffy brush and just buff that out onto the skin. Now I'm going to take my 3 concealers, my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Dark 40, and my Elliot Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut and Expresso, and I'm just going to use all 3 of them to highlight. And then I'll be going in with my Black Radiance Concealer Stick in the color 8003 to contour. Now to set my highlight, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Clean Professionals Loose Powder in the color 125. Using my Beauty Blender and patting that onto the skin. And I'm going to take my angle brush from the Bestowed brush set that I got from Amazon and just blending out that contour. Now I'm just dusting off the excess powder with the same bespoke brushes set. And I'm going to be going in with my Aesthetica palette. It's a contour palette from tan to dark, and I got that from Amazon as well. And we're just going to set that contour. So now I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, using the color Ada and going back with that chocolate bar palette and going in with Cherry Corridor. And we're going to just blend that on the under eye and build a color to my liking. And we're going to go into that chocolate bar palette again using the color Creme Brulee. I said that so wrong. Creme Brulee. And we're going to highlight that brow bone. Lightly go in with this gold color. Now we're just going to go in with the LA Colors blush palette in the color Sweet Cheeks. I'm going to just be placing that on my cheek area. And for highlight, I forgot to show you guys the product, but it's going to be from MAC, and it's the Cheeky Bronze Mineralized Skin Finish. If you go ahead and wet your fan brush a little bit before applying it, you'll get the same results that I got. I went ahead and did my hair off camera. If you guys want to know or see the tutorial on how to get that style, you can go ahead, click the subscribe button, and that will be the next video on my channel.